Put the mic up. Oh, this is the big one right here. I got one thing to say to you, Congress, is you better get your act right now. Because you need a majority vote to pass this bill. Mr. President, are you ready to veto? Now, I bet you're expecting something really hard to sing just then. Which, that is how a bipartisan dispute would be. But no, you must first know this. Santa has come close, stay two from each one. The House of Representatives, based on population. I'm sad. Congress. It's not too late to say your country. Well, so let me get this right. The Senate focuses on national issues, while the House is pressured by the constituencies in their districts. Democrat, Republican fight, Hillary versus Donald tonight. Everybody arguing, everybody talking, this is the way we decide. If we were asking a question, you better pay up attention. If you still wanna be my congressman tonight, oh, you don't know, so you're wrong. Before talking to Geronimo, your right to vote is gone once you go to Guantanamo. Are you feeling me? Or are you feeling me? Cause it's time to drop the mic and go. Just kidding, would you imagine? Actually, it depends on what the congressman has to say to persuade me and the masses to follow the way they behave. We're done.